So business analysis, right? You can predict analysis, can be descriptive analysis, and also called BI, business intelligence. This kind of profession, right? And in order to become business analysis, you know, they love you business people, MBA students, right? That's why UCW wanted us to know BA, business analysis, because you know, if you do computer science direction, you cannot become business because you don't know about business. You will get a lot of training on business, finance, operation, strategy, marketing. Yeah, I love it. And that's not enough. You need to learn some technical skill, which is this course major focus, right? Data visualization, SQL, and all this model to analyze the data. We will learn 7 models. Okay? And so you need communication skills, writing, presentation, very important, right? As I mentioned, my wife is a senior business analysis, yeah? She every day is talking, I don't know, argue, communication, yeah? She doesn't like it sometimes, right? But that's your job. You have to argue that your position, your model is better than others. It's good for the company. Once they deploy, they will use your model or use other people's model for final solution. So communication, right? Writing very important because most of the business analysis most likely work from home, from your basement, right? You need to write some business report to show you good idea, show you insight. So that's a video, very interesting, yeah. And on YouTube, you can take a look, right? What's a typical day for business analysis, yeah? Very young fashion lady, yeah? She'll show some fashion for you, yeah? And how to eat, how to drink, how to do business analysis, right? That's a video in your course portal in the week 1. And if you interest this professional business analysis, you should take more course like marketing analysis, machine learning on the data analysis side, and predictive analysis, like predict when I'm going to place an order for 2 kilo peanut butter, right? The predictive analysis. Then you also should take this course, digital transformation, some kind of related to computers. There's another way to better called Metaverse e-commerce. Metaverse commerce. So anybody heard about this Metaverse concept? Anybody? Metaverse? No?
It's a virtual world created for like interaction.
Yeah. Virtual, 3D world. The company Facebook now named called Meta platform. Yeah? And you guys generation Z, yeah? So this is who play game? Who play game? Online game? No, shy around. A lot of you guys play game. You tell me, yeah. So the basically, there's technology called AR/VR, and extend your gaming, right? After you play game, you feel hungry. Where's my food, right? Oh, you can go to Walmart online, push your shopping cart. Oh, Samuel coming. And then, oh, there's a spinach on sale. There's bread, very fresh bread there. There's milk there, right? Everything there. Then you check out, half hour the delivery to your home. Right? Then you still give them food there. Yeah? They try to satisfy a new customer, Generation Z, gaming player. So eventually this is a 3D world. Everything has to move there. Yeah? So this is a Metaverse. I'm teaching digital transformation 641 where I develop some of the application. NFT, virtual island. Yeah? So this is kind of new area, which Walmart also invest in this area, try to satisfy game players. Yeah, and so I'm going to teach this one. I also teach e-commerce course, 645, probably next term. So the data, we are saying, right? That is footprint from people things, which we care about, yeah? And with data, so the data, how to data collect? Can collect by human. Wow, very expensive to collect by human, right? Can be collected by automatically, give you, this automatically collect your video. Yeah. Me, it's cheaper, yeah? Yeah? And so it can be semi-automated, yeah? Can be half automated. And so there's a lot of data. In the last 30 years, IT revolution, yeah? By video, by internet, by your mobile phone, right? And how do you trust the data? Who collects data? Most likely you trust the government, yeah? Government data. Excuse me. And also BI company too, yeah? And also industry association, yeah? So make sure when you have a data for your project, right, you have to tell you where your source of data, right? So this way we know whether that's trustable, right? The data can be fake, right? You fake on the game, you protect the pretty lady. that's fake, yeah. And politics, a lot of fake data, right? Yeah. So make sure you have a trustable source to collect your data, analyze data, right? So that's IT field. When you analyze the garbage in, right? What's the result for your conclusion? Also garbage. GIGO, right? So make sure you are analyze trustful source of data, okay? And then how to analyze data, right? The simple way we used, SQL to collect some pattern, simple one. And we used Tableau to do visualization, right? Assignment 3. Then we use this model, yeah, to find out why these things are correlated, yeah? And what's mean by model? Model is kind of function, something. For example, oh, I worked very hard for my curry chicken today. What's your sale? What's my sale? What? See how many units we are sold. And what's price? What's unit, right? So the model, sales equal price times the unit sold. There's a model. Simple mathematical model, right? So we learn more complex model, but at the end of the day, it's kind of function, okay? There's analysis, two kinds of analysis. One is a descriptive analysis, describe what's happened, yeah? Based on the past record. The second one is inferential analysis. It's a prediction. When will be next COVID-19? Do you believe next COVID-19? No? You're optimistic? You will come in, right? You have to lock down, you have to prepare online again. Yeah? Walmart not well prepared, they will be suffering again. Yeah? So this is our major focus, predict future. And so we talk about strategy, data privacy issue. And so we focus on the manipulated data, descriptive analysis, diagnosis. Why same family he caught COVID-19? Why I didn't? Right? Why? It's a diagnosis analysis. Yeah? And do some finding. Oh, he have a strong, system, immune system. Yeah? He had a lot of vitamin C. Right? Oh, vitamin C gets COVID-19. Right? So this one predictive, right? When will be next wave of COVID-19? When Professor Lee ordered another 2 kilo peanut butter, right? Then this is most important, called prescriptive analysis. Not prediction, also action. Yeah? And have you got a Tesla car, self-driving technology? Anybody heard about? Who have a Tesla? No, not yet. Yeah. Right? So last Sunday, I had a drunk in Vancouver, right? I wish I had a Tesla. So that's why I'm Tesla take me home, safely. Yeah, I'd have to order Ubers and then second day keep my car. Yeah, and so this is automation. Yeah. So when you have Tesla drive, right, by computer, yeah, AI, 100 kilometers on Highway 1, that was the Highway 1, yeah, in the evening, after my gun, right, about 10 kilometers, yeah, suddenly there is a shadow across the road. What's Tesla should do? What's the car should do? There's shadow.
Lights.
Huh?
Headlights.
Headlight? Okay, already on. The must on, the law. What's Tesla to do? There's a shadow in front of your car. Right? Yeah? So that suddenly, cross. What are you going to do? So, self-driving car, number one step, they must recognize what is the shadow. Is this cat, this dog, or this human? Yeah? This is immediately need to collect the data, analyze. Then you have to make a decision what should you do. If this is a cat, dog, sorry, a lot of data. That dog cat in the highway. Yeah? If human, you have to try to avoid to kill this human, right? And if this car is an empty car, right? You have to make hard decision, kill himself, yeah? Sacrifice himself if it's empty, right? Avoid killing people. So this is called prescriptive analysis, also called decision orientation, right? Not only see what is, also take some immediate action within few seconds, few milliseconds. Yeah? It's hard, right? But it's an advantage for Tesla car. Yeah? Right? So this is called automation, which I'm teaching CMPD 241, focus on automation. Very important for automation. That's two reasons why automation is going on, because I'm writing a big book for Springer called Metaverse City. Number one reason, there's a shortage of baby. Do you believe that? Your woman doesn't like you a lot of baby. Yeah? Even China, you're from China?
Yeah,
Yeah?
from Hong Kong.
From Hong Kong, yeah. There are only 1.2 per couple. Yeah? Taiwan, Japan, much worse probably. Yeah? That's globally. Lucky we are Canada, right? We use our resources. Oh, everyone come. For the country like China, like Japan, people don't have to come, right? That's a charity baby. So who are looking after senior? We need more automation, more robot, more AI. Okay? So that's why we are related to AI, machine learning, right? And it's hot demand. Canada, still you come, you need to not do physical work. You need invent some physical robot, like a robot car, like a robot machine, like a cash machine, automated this industry. Because global trend, that's shortage of the labor force. Okay, even China, Japan, yeah, and even India, right? India, like how many babies you are going to give?
I'm not from India.
5? Well, you work 5. Yeah, up to you, yeah, maximum 3, yeah. Not anymore, not like your grandparents' generation, yeah. So that's a second trend because the technology is coming. Technology really, yeah, with AI, machine learning. That's why you guys need skills. How to use the data to do this automation. Whatever this self-driving car, whatever is the manufacturer automation. Right? In China during COVID-19, the restaurant automated, yeah? You can have noodle, right? You just order from your phone, and you pick up noodle in your small pot, eat it. And all the servants, there's no people there. Because this way you're never afraid this affection, yeah? Okay, so this is a trend. So this is called descriptive analysis, decision automation. This same thing. give you some idea for future, right? So who love to work for bank, finance area? Anyone? Previous class, a lot of people, half people want for bank. After MBA, which industry are you to work?
Sure, yeah.
Not sure yet, yeah? Oh, what's industry? Retail, okay. What's industry are you to work? Pharmaceutical, good, healthcare, good. What's industry are you to work? Huh? HR, human resource, okay. What's industry? HR, okay, human resource. What's the industry? I'm not deciding yet, maybe it's early.
Not sure, but like marketing.
Marketing and sales, okay. Yeah. Well, that's good, very interesting. This class love to work in the HR and retail. Now, previous class work for bank, right? So which is your bank right now in Canada? Which bank are you?
CIBC.
CIBC, yeah. What is it?
Scotia.
Bank, yeah. I'm not with my bank. I'm not with my bank for 3 years because I don't need it. I can do everything online, right? What's a waste? The Scotia Bank branch there, yeah? They have paid a lot of rent from same rent as UCW. So future bank will look like this. The middle of the bank is a AI, machine learning, with one of you, is BA, or data scientist there, right? All this one is a branch that is doing investment. Yeah, you have $1 million retirement. They say, oh, you are still young. You put 40% in the stock and 30% in the mutual fund and get some cash, 20%. It's called portfolio. Yeah, and you love to borrow some money to buy Tesla. Yeah, called borrow, right? And we call credit department, right? So you go to your bank, main web page. Wow, you are approved $50,000 so you can buy Tesla. Wow. You are good to there too, right? Go to the Scotia Bank. Yeah. Which bank do you need? Scotia Bank, okay. Go there or you are rejected. You're crying, right? Why? Yeah. They give you disability, why, because. Yeah? So this thing, everything done online, yeah, you don't need to go to the bank anymore. Yeah, what we back to you, CIBC or Scotia, is a word, a brand. You don't need any high-paid CEO there anymore. Yeah, and everything can be done by machine learning model. Yeah, so this is a future bank look like. Yeah, you can work with in your basement, work for your Scotia Bank as an investment analysis. And the feature that AI human called cobalt work together, right? Because AI, the data, some of the data have now collected new information. For example, new COVID-19 variant, what they call XBB, yeah? The AI doesn't know because it never happened, right? So human work closely together with AI. So we follow these 6 steps to do business analysis, right? This can be your final exam, yeah? So how to do, right? People interview you, right? Can be Walmart, can be Scotia Bank, yeah? How do you do data analysis? Oh, we follow these steps called CRISP, yeah? Step 1, what kind of business problem are you going to solve? We want to acquire new customer, retain old customer for Walmart. What kind of data available? Oh, we have some old data in our database, some of the Walmart credit card, you can query it, or you collect data. We need to give them discount, fill up the forms, right? That is a loyalty program or reward program, right? And after that, how do you prepare the data for analysis? What are we doing? Cleaning, remove some of the missing field, He's a young man, he says he's a woman. It's wrong person, right? We correct it back, yeah? And some of the data is missing field, we don't know, right? We need to fill it out, yeah? And the simple way use the visualization tool, Tableau, to visualize it. Take a initial look, yeah? And Then we use the different modeling to group this customer, whether, this is a lady or this is a man, it's a different origin. Yeah? We use the called K-mean clustering. Then we find a more sophisticated one like prediction, right? How much cold chicken we should prepare for tomorrow restaurant, right? Forecast, times of forecast. And how to see, correlation between this data set. Yeah? We use different model, okay? Then we select best model, put in your production, right? For loan approval. Very important, right? Why you reject his $50,000 loan? And she's very angry. She will quit Scott right away, join your competitors, right? You may give them $10,000. Yeah? So just case. So these 6 steps can help you to do data analysis, business analysis. SQL, right? We focus on the data query language, yeah? Structured query language. So you will have a quiz. This visualization concept, right? You can see the distribution of your data, right? The age distribution. Oh, the average age is very young, 35. No, for my style, average age is 55. And more senior. Then you see use the box whistle diagram, yeah? Which is our life. For example, for your bank, right? You check the balance of your bank, everybody balance. How much balance? Well, suddenly you count balance, $2 million. Wow, my God. Then money from your brother from India try to smuggle some money, called money laundry, right? Yeah? So the AI catch it on your bank, report the government, yeah? Because it's my Vancouver, the housing price is so high, right? Yeah, illegal money come from India to buy house here. So this can be an excellent tool called box whistle diagram. Average, $50,000 is okay, yeah? Wow, suddenly you have $2 million in your bank account. It's out of life. And this is what is chart? You learn statistics, yeah? Yeah? Scatter diagram. Scatter. This is X, this is Y. This is sales of the dipole, this is sales of the beer, right? Then you find a relationship, right? This is a positive relationship. This is a negative relationship, yeah? If the price too high or buy less, yeah? Negative. Supply-demand curve, right? You learn from economics. This is a weak relationship, right? Spread. This is almost no relationship, yeah? You can use this graph to see what's the relationship of the variable. So we'll use Tableau to build up a so-called dashboard, yeah? Basically, you set up a TV in your CEO, right? From Walmart store here. You can see real time. What's sales? What's each product sales? Yeah? And what's cost? What's profit? Real time. Is that nice? Yeah? Which is called dashboard, like your car, right? Dashboard. Yeah? So you will do your assignment 3. Build up this dashboard. Use Tableau. It's very easy. Yeah. I can show you 50 minutes. 50 minutes you can be able to do it. You will have a tutorial. And for your team project, you will learn, we will start week 6, we will learn this model. The first one is the only one called unsupervised learning, K-mean. Yeah? So for example, right, I want to sell a t-shirt to you guys before you come to class, to business, right? Nothing wrong. And how can I prepare a t-shirt before you come? But I only know your home address, your name, yeah, because I get your information from a registration office. Yeah? I know nothing about you. I don't know you are a gentleman or you are a girl, lady, yeah? The basic information. What I can do, I can divide you 25 people, 4, 5 groups, based on your hometown address, called geographic information. Yeah? There was, oh, from India. Oh, India, I know you have green color. Yeah, or black color. Oh, you're from China. Oh, you like a white color or red color. Yeah, you're from Brazil. Oh, you like what color you like? Brazil. Yellow, yeah. You know, I can figure out what's kind of thing. Right? I can prepare your mind. Yeah, it's called k-mean method. That's how you call equivalence distance function. Very simple. Class things together, group things together. You have put similar things together. Mostly we focus on classification. Yeah? Classification is more important, right? With car driving, identify that shadow, whether it's human, whether it's a dog, whether it's cat, or whether it's ghost, right? Yeah, that's most about the language decision, yeah? Life death decision. Very good, very important, right? Yeah, we'll do a case study for breast cancer. Yeah, to diagnose breast cancer for you to medical care. Yeah, yeah, that's a very significant. Yeah, and a lot of Canadian women killed by breast cancer. Yeah, now you can be able to use the mobile phone scanning. You know, men can be breast cancer too. Yeah, so this is, you could use logistic regression, support machine to do that. But very simple, it's linear regression, yeah? You know, like that, yeah? Every time double cells go up, Peer cells go up. This kind of upward line, yeah? You fill with the upward line. See? So you will focus double cells, we have a lot of babies in this community, right? And a lot of demand, so that's why you have to prepare more beers to meet the demand, yeah? So then you plan that one, it's linear regression. Based on linear regression, we can use the logistic regression, we can do logistic regression, we can do support machine, we can layer-based decision tree, and time series forecasting, very important, yeah, for your business, yeah. For example, you know, what's the stock price for tomorrow for Tesla? You want to buy a Tesla, which I've placed some order already, right? Yeah. When should I make a decision to buy? Yeah. Okay. So this you can use time series forecast. Okay. So I'll give you quickly a view on that. That's many work, right? Like my wife, the communication, always like that. Regression, classification, similarity match, link, all this one you have to learn, yeah? When you have a team that talk about this kind of language. Yeah. That's why you browse your textbook, right? You can learn some of the language. So this is k-mean and supervised learning based on this distance function. Equivalent distance function, right? Yeah? And x minus x, your home distance, you know, x and y, yeah? And then you put this data set, the different group, based on the center. Okay? The idea for that. And if you have data sets like that, who are buy life insurance? Right? If you're hired by a bank, your boss gives you an assignment. We have 10 million customers from our CIBC bank. We want to expand life insurance business, and 10 million, right? You cannot afford to mail them 10 million. You will find out 1 million of them and contact them. So that's your assignment. So how to find out? Yeah, 1 million of the most likely by life insurance, right? So you basically we can use like that. Two variable, a simple two variable. If you are very young, 25, do you have life insurance? No? Not yet, right? Yeah? What?